In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add discounts to your invoices effectively. Whether you want to offer your customers a percentage off or a fixed amount, this process will guide you through each step seamlessly. Let's start by navigating to the sales section on your platform. Once you're there, look for the option labeled Invoices. This is where you'll find all the invoices you've previously issued or are in the process of creating. After locating the invoice you wish to modify with a discount, click on it to open and view the details. Now, you may notice that there isn't an obvious column labeled Discount. Don't worry, we can resolve that easily. Look for the Show Hide Fields or Columns option. This is typically located in the toolbar within the invoice screen. Clicking on this option will display a menu where you can customize which columns are visible. Go ahead and enable the discount column from here. If it's a drop-down menu, just put a check mark next to discount, and the column will appear alongside your line items. Moving on, in the now visible discount column for the specific line item you're adjusting, you have the flexibility to choose your discount type. You can apply either a percentage or a fixed monetary discount. For instance, if you're giving a 10% off, simply type in 10% next to the item that your customer will be receiving a discount on. If you prefer a flat reduction, say $20 off, just enter 20. This level of flexibility allows you to tailor discounts according to your sales strategies and customer relationships. Once you input the discount, take a moment to review the total at the bottom of the invoice. This updated total will reflect the discount you've applied, ensuring that your customer gets the correct pricing. It's always crucial to double-check this to make sure nothing was overlooked and that your customer will receive the appropriate calculated amount. Now that everything looks good, you can move on to the final step. If you're ready to complete your changes, you have two finalization options: Save and Close or Approve and Email. Save and Close is ideal if you're still in the review process or need further approval on this invoice. However, if you're ready to send this directly to your customer, opt for Approve and Email. This instantly sends the revised invoice to your client, confirming the transaction details and the provided discount. By following these steps carefully, you ensure that your clients receive accurate invoices and enjoy any special offers or reductions you are providing. Remember, providing clear and accurate invoices not only reflects positively on your business, but also supports strong customer relationships. Thank you for watching, and if you have any questions, feel free to reach out.